All right, gonna make a quick video here of the Kandi 250 go-kart. For the most part, I've got it completed. Still need to get the power to the fan on the radiator, not that big a deal. And then I need to get the overflow tank installed. The actual tank that I got isn't exactly the same. So where these two mounting brackets are, this one and the one down here, it doesn't quite bolt in. It's a little longer, so I'm going to build a little bracket to come off this and extend it up, but shouldn't be too big a deal to get that put together and put on it. I'm trying to think what else. Got a pod filter, still got to get one of those. I need to get my mic out and see what size it needs. I may even have one in one of my bins in there, but I haven't messed with that yet. Battery box, plan on just bolting something in here. I may even just build some rods. It'll go through the frame here and just bolt down. So just some like all thread and put a metal strap across the top like some battery mounts are. So not that big a deal for that. Oh, trying to think what else. Seats, right now I've got the stock ones back in it. For now, I'm gonna leave these in it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just bite the bullet and buy the seats for it, and put them in just so I can get the slides working, so the kids can shove them back and forward. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this seat where it's at. There's different mounting points. So this driver's seat I mounted in the back, or the back bolt holes, and the other one I mounted in the front, which gives me room to put this battery in there. So I'll probably leave it where it's kind of setting anyway, but still wouldn't mind having the slides for the driver, because for me it's great. For my son, he's kind of got to sit out the front of the seat. So I did get the brakes bled, new master cylinder. Master cylinder, again, the one I ordered online that said that it fit, is a little bit different where your outputs are here. I believe on the original one there's two on the front and only one on the bottom, where this one has one out the front and two on the bottom. So basically the way I set it up is this side is running your front brakes, which would be this one, and then this plunger on this side is running your rear brakes, which come around and go to the other side. So I'm trying to think what else. I believe that's it. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty much done. So have taken out and rode it quite a bit. It's not crazy fast. Top speed on my GPS on my phone is 36 miles an hour, which is nothing crazy, but moves pretty good for the size that it is. The reverse is awesome. Be able to back in and out of places. Suspension, to be completely honest, is actually pretty decent compared to most go-karts. So overall, it's not a bad go-kart, especially for what I've got into it. If I've got bought it for $200, I've got probably another $200 in the seals and bearings just for the gearbox and the rear end. Probably another $100 in the paint. So I'm probably about $700-800. So what I've got invested in this go-kart, maybe a little more than that, $850, without any of my time. So really not that bad for what I've got into it. So, but yeah, I'll go ahead. I'm gonna crank it over real quick and kind of do a walk around. But I don't think it looks too bad. It looks way better than it did the day I brought it home. So the thing runs really well. Motor seems to be very strong. So. But yeah, so that's where it sits now. I'll probably do another video later when we take them out and ride it. I don't know when that might be, but hopefully before long I'll get a video or two of us out playing on this one and a couple others. So anyway, if anybody has any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and again, really would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.